Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a combination picture, and in this picture, it's going to have Charmander, Charmeleon, and Charizard. Now, if you guys like these and would like to see more of them, definitely let me know and I'd be happy to draw them. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Now, to start off with our Charmander, Charmeleon, and Charizard picture, let's begin with Charmander. Let's start with the eyes. We're going to put them down here, and we'll make a little line that's just going to go up and down and over for an eye. We'll leave some space, and we'll do that same thing. We'll go up, down, and over. And I made the second one just a little bit bigger. We'll add a little curve inside each one. Then we'll make a smiley face about the halfway point of there. And I'm going to color in this oval, leaving just a little bit white at the very top. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, and then we're going to come up here. We'll make two little triangles for the teeth. Then a big smiley face that's going to go down and up. A little curve for the tongue, and a couple more small pointed teeth. With a couple little dots in there. I'll make a little bump right here. And a curved line that's just going to go up and down. Curve it here, and then I'm going to curve it right here. Make a little line here and a little line here. Now up here we're going to put the arm. So we're going to draw a line that's going to come out, and we'll make it come down just a little bit for one of the fingers. We'll draw one here and one here. Next I'll bring this down. Then right here we'll draw a line that's going to curve around for the body. Next we'll put the other arm over here. So I'll draw a line that's going to come out. We'll make a couple little points for the fingers. And then we'll come back. Then we'll make a little line down. They'll make a line that's going to come out and in. And a little curve here. We'll curve this line around, and then we'll make it to a point and come back. One more here, and then one here. We'll add a couple little curved lines for the toes too. Over here, let's make a line that's going to come out and in. We'll draw a line there. And for the foot, we'll bring it out, and then we'll come out here and make it back to a point. A second toe here, and a third right there. And just like we did on the other side, we'll add a little line down for the toes. Or the claws, whatever you want to call them. Now for the stomach, we'll draw a line that's going to come up here. We're going to bring it down and around in an oval shape. For the tail, we'll curve it up here. Then we'll leave some space and we'll bring it back down here. With another line here. For the fire, we just want to make some wavy, kind of pointed lines on here. Next, we want to make Charmeleon, and we're going to put Charmeleon right over here. Obviously, he's going to be a little bit bigger than Charmander, so we're going to start him up here a little bit higher. To do this, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and we're going to come back here. We'll make a little line down and a longer one right underneath it. We'll curve this down for the eye and make a second one right in here. We'll make a circular shape and we'll color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white at the top. We'll make like an upside down check mark. And then right here we'll draw a line that's going to go over and down. Then we're going to come out and in. We'll draw a line that's going to go down and then back up for the mouth. And then we'll go down and then up here. Next we're going to come back and we're going to bring it up here. We'll make a line here and a line here for the nostrils. We'll add some little points on each side for the teeth. And a couple more here. And a wavy line for the tongue. Next we'll make a little line that comes around. We'll go down and then we'll come back up with another little line underneath it. Over here we'll make a line that goes up and down for the other eye. We'll go in and then we're going to come up and we're going to go over. I'm going to bring this down and we're going to come back in for that little point that he has on the back of his head. For the side of the face, we want to bring this down and in, and then down a little farther for the neck. We'll leave some space, and I'm going to curve a line down. Right here, we'll draw a line that's going to go down and in. We're going to make this line come down here, and then we'll add a couple little points for the claws. We'll do one more here. Then we'll make a line that's going to come up. Little line down. And then we're going to make a little line that's going to come down and curve. Make a little line that's going to come around and then back up. Then we're going to make some little points on here for the claws. We're going to go out and then in for the leg. Then I'll make a line that comes down to a point and back. One more here. And one more right here. And we're going to bring this up. Now, on the ends of the toes, let's go ahead and make some little curved lines. That way we can see those little claws for his toenails. Now, this leg, we're just going to curve around here. We'll make a line that comes down and back. One more here. And one more here. And we're going to go up and in with a couple little curved lines. Now for the tail, let's draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to curve it around and come back here. You can see it's a little skinnier up here and a little fatter down here. Then we're going to make just some more pointed, kind of wavy lines on here for the tail and the fire. Then let's make a line that's going to come down to here, and then a small one right along the tail. So we got Charmander and Charmeleon in here. Now we want to come in here and add the big guy Charizard. Now to start off with Charizard, we're going to begin up here and we're going to make his face. I'll start with his eye. We're going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to come back here like a check mark. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come over and then up. Draw a little line down. And then we're going to make kind of like a half oval, and we'll color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white. Starting here, we'll make a little line that's going to curve out and up. Then we're going to bring this line back here. Starting here, we're going to come out, and we're going to come down. We're going to bring this down a little bit and back. Next, we're going to bring this up and down here. Then we're going to come down, and we're going to go over. I'm going to go down, up, down again. We're going to come back up and over here. And we'll add another little line here. We'll add a line here and a line here for the nostrils. We're going to add two pointy little fangs. Then we'll make two more little teeth here. I'll draw a line that's going to go down and up and then back. And a little line up here. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come back for his horns. Then we're going to make another one here. We're going to go out and in. Then we're going to curve this down to right about where Charmeleon is. And then we're going to make another one that's going to come right down here. Draw a line that's going to go up and down, and then we're going to come out. Then I'm going to curve this up. We'll curve this around to a point and then back. We'll make this line come up, and we'll come to a point, and then we're going to bring this around. We'll draw a line here. It's going to curve around to a point and back, and then connect. Then we're going to come down. We're going to curve it, and then we're going to bring it back here. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to bring it out here. We're going to make a line that's going to come down to a point and curve around. Make another one that comes up. We're going to come to a point and curve it back. And one more, it's going to come to a point. We're going to curve it around. Then I'm going to come down and bring it back here. We'll make a little line that comes down. I'll draw a line that's going to curve down here. We want to add a small curved line on each one of these claws here. And then over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down to a point and back. Another one down to a point. And we'll add the little curved lines for the claws. Draw a line up here. And it's going to curve up. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come around here. Then over here we'll draw a line that's going to come down. And then out here we're going to draw a line that's going to come down and back. And one more here. We'll add those curved lines for the feet. Draw a little line here. Next I'll put one more over here too with a little line. Right here I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around. And then I want to make his wings. Now to draw his wings, let's start here. We're going to draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to add a little bit of a bump and come down. Then we're going to come out here. We'll make this all the way come back here, nice and skinny. Make a line that's going to come down. And then it's going to come back here. Next we're going to make lines going to come around here. We're going to come up to that point and down. Then we'll make it come all the way to the top here and bring it back. Next we're going to draw this line down to a point, and then we're going to bring it all the way back here towards Charmander's head. We'll just add a little kind of long broken line in each one. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. Then I'm going to curve it up here. And then we're just going to bring it right back down for Charizard's tail. And then once again, we're just going to add these kind of wavy, pointed lines on here. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line above his eye. And there you go. There is your drawing of Charmander, Charmeleon, and Charizard all together. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.